Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Buckeye, part number 109267W, hose and nozzle assembly. Used on a variety of units. Far too many to list. Probably every bit of 2 dozen, if not more. There is, and the reason I say that is because below this video is a link to the parts list that will allow you to review. I think this is part number 14, indeed. The parts list is for a number of different models, so be mindful of what model and type that you're using. 5HI SA40 ABC. Let's go over the dimensional properties of this replacement hose and nozzle. And let's start with the length. Overall length, about 12 3/4. Some reinforced rubber hose. Plastic nozzle on the end. Aluminum fitting down here. Let's take a couple of dimensions. Outside diameter of the rubber hose, 0.68 inch. Outside diameter of the threaded adapter, just putting the caliper on the outside of the threads, 0.495. Length only of the nozzle. Probably should have captured that earlier. Forgive me. 1 3/4. Going to have an outside dimension of about 7/8 or so, 13/16. Okay. Very nice that the parts diagrams are published. Why? Well, you have probably a significant investment in fire safety equipment, or maybe one that's not so significant. You could be someone like us here that requires, our application requires about 3 of them per code. You could be the Navy and it requires that you have a fleet of hundreds in your installation. Being able to pull up parts allows you to continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in fire safety equipment. The common items that we sell would be the valve stem. Part number 10 is very common. Part number 6 is the pressure gauge. That's common. Part number 13, the siphon tubes are common. Less common are the handles and the rivets that hold all that together, because that material is only replaced when it's damaged beyond use, in my opinion. And maybe the most common is part number 9, the O-rings. Sell those very often. Our replacement O-rings sold. Okay. If you have any questions on the Buckeye, this is their part number 109267, replacement hose and nozzle assembly. Feel free to reach out to us. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Buckeye products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Thank you very much.